Hello ma'am, my name is Isla Firdaus. I'm from class Department Eco. I want presentation preparation engine room tools. Number 1, open and wrenches, unscrew the bolt or nut. 2, adjustable wrenches to remove or install nuts that can be adjusted to narrow or widen. 3, monkey wrench from installing and removing pivot and threaded connection. Number 4, box and wrench to wrench narrow areas. Number 5, socket wrench, assembling, loosening and tightening head nuts and bolts. Number 6, torque wrench, used as a tool to measure the depth of bolt or nuts. Number 7, spinner wrench, looses the nut that has a hexagonal shape. Number 8, special wrench to remove and replace electrical equipment and computer. Thanks ma'am.